National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day is celebrated on August 4th in the United States. It is a day to celebrate the delicious and iconic chocolate chip cookie. This day was created to honor Ruth Graves Wakefield, the woman who is credited with creating the first chocolate chip cookie in 1937. Wakefield was the owner of the Toll House Inn in Whitman, Massachusetts. One day, she was making a batch of cookies when she ran out of baker's chocolate. She decided to substitute a Nestle semi-sweet chocolate bar that she had on hand. The result was a delicious cookie with chunks of chocolate throughout. Wakefield named these cookies chocolate chip cookies, and they quickly became a popular item at the Toll House Inn. In 1939, Nestle began selling a chocolate chip cookie dough mix that was based on Wakefield's recipe. This helped to popularize chocolate chip cookies even further, and they soon became a favorite treat all over the world. Today, National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day is a day to enjoy these delicious cookies in all their forms. Whether you like them crispy or chewy, there is sure to be a chocolate chip cookie out there that you will love. So gather your friends and family, bake up a batch of cookies, and celebrate National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Here are some ways to celebrate National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Bake a batch of chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Visit your local bakery or grocery store and buy a box of chocolate chip cookies. Have a chocolate chip cookie party with your friends and family. Enter a chocolate chip cookie contest. Donate chocolate chip cookies to a local food bank or shelter. No matter how you choose to celebrate, National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day is a day to enjoy these delicious treats.